Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is smog and its main components? How is ground level ozone created? What health risk does ozone exposure pose to humans? Summary: what is smog? It is the brown haze that builds up in the large stagnant air mass and hangs over populated areas on calm, hot summer days. What does it consist of? Made up of mostly ground level ozone, O3, but it also contains numerous other chemicals, including carbon monoxide, CO, particulate matter such as soot and dust, volatile organic compounds, VOC, such as benzene, butane, and other hydrocarbons. How does ground level ozone form? Ground level ozone is formed when hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides react in the presence of sunlight in hot, calm days. What are the adverse effects of ozone on human health? Irritates eyes, damage the air sac in the lungs, shortness of breath, wheezing, fatigue, headaches, nausea, asthma issues. Okay, and now we've got the bullet points, so even longer wordy version of what I just said. So they give you the definition of smog, composition, the formation of the ground level ozone. You can pause the video and read it yourself. The health effects of ozone exposure. And they go through the symptoms in a lot more detail. Okay, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on the Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar to open up the program. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Once the program is open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, see ya.